Hello everyone! Welcome to Cherry's Kitchenomics. Buhay Philippines! Kamusta po kayo mga kabayan? Namaste India and Bagonara Hyderabad. Today we will be cooking one of the Filipinos' favorite dish, the crispy shrimp. Here are the main ingredients for our recipe. Before we start cooking, please don't forget to wash your hands. Let's start! Mag-umpisa na po tayo sa pagluluto. First, we have to season the shrimp with crispy fry mix, 2 tablespoons, half spoon of pepper powder, half spoon of chili powder. This is optional if you want it spicy. Half spoon of salt. Mix it well until all the ingredients are combined. Then add the shrimp with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and all-purpose flour combined together. Mix the shrimp well until all the shrimp are well seasoned. After mixing, set the shrimp aside. Next, we will prepare batter for the shrimp. I have mixed cornstarch and all-purpose flour together. Then, I had added water. Mix it well until I get the desired consistency. Add the remaining ingredients in the batter. Add the crispy fry mix. Pepper powder. Chili powder. Salt. Then mix it well. You can add more water in the butter if the butter is too thick. We will now fry the shrimp.